Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to make this video just to kind of touch on a comment that I tend to see often when it comes to the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26. First, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Carla. On this channel, I talk about fashion, style, beauty, and just lifestyle stuff in general. If these types of items or these types of topics sparks your interest, please subscribe down below. All you have to do is click on that red button and turn on the notification bell so that you're notified when I do post a new video. Back to the comment that's being made about the Toiletry 26, the comment that I tend to see often, all the time, repeatedly. And that comment is, why is it that people use this toiletry bag as a pouch? Why don't they just use it for its intended purpose? Why don't you just put your stuff in it? I'm seeing it everywhere. I'm so tired of this. Just use it for what it's supposed to be used for. Stop using this as a pouch. I'm tired of seeing this as a pouch. This, that, and the third. Just that comment over and over, worded differently. Just the comment in general. My thought is, what does it matter? What does it matter what people are using an item that they spent their hard-earned money on? What does it matter if they want to use it as a pouch? What does it matter if they want to use it to put their toiletries in? What does it matter? What does it matter is the point. Let me share with you some things about the Toiletry 26. Yes, this pouch is definitely difficult, not as difficult as other handbags, but it is difficult to get a hold of. I was on the wait list for not even a month, to be honest, and I was called and told that I can come pick it up, and this was almost 2 years ago now. Let me show you the pouch. So this is a Toiletry 26. This in 2019 retails for $445 US, and that is without tax. As you can see, I have it in the monogram canvas. This bag is 7.9 inches in height and 2 inches in width. This bag, believe it or not, is really spacious. It has this gold closure. I have this little pouch that I use to keep my bag organized. However, one of the pros to this is that the interior, if you put something in here and it gets damaged, you can easily just grab a wipe and wipe this down. That's definitely one thing that I really love about this bag. Like if I throw a pen in here and I don't get it into the organizer, I can just wipe that right off. So if you're using this as a toiletry bag, which is its intended purpose, then that's probably something that you would really like about it. If you get makeup on it, if you get makeup on it, like lipstick, foundation, powder, whatever the case may be, if you get it on it, you can just wipe that off of the bag, which goes into why I actually like using this bag as a clutch when I go out, because as most of you, or myself, and I'm sure most of you do as well, when you go out, you tend to just throw your lipstick in there, anything that you're gonna use to just touch up your makeup throughout the night. If you're throwing it in there and it gets on the lining, all you have to do, like I said previously with the pen, just grab a wipe that right off. So why not just use the bag as a clutch? It looks nice aesthetically. It is really nice. And then as I showed you, I actually use it as a shoulder bag, a crossbody. I use this bag in so many different ways. Yes, it's $445, so why not just use it as many ways as you possibly can? I don't see the problem in it. Others see it, but you know what? Regardless, if you've paid for an item and you find multiple ways to use an item, then feel free to use that item. This is how I would use the bag as a shoulder bag, or as a crossbody. And then for anyone that's interested in knowing, this strap, I actually showed it in my video, which I will have linked right here, with the ALMA BB and the favorite the ALMA BB versus the Favorite MM. This strap I just bought. It's just an adjustable strap, and then I put it onto my Toiletry 26 so that I can use it as, like I said, a shoulder bag or as a crossbody bag. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And once again, if you purchase something, don't feel like you can't use it. Use your items for however, whatever purpose you want to use your items. No one bought it but you. You have the right to use it. However, ignore those comments. It is what it is. Until next time, bye.